They told you that your circumstances define you, but let me tell you that they're wrong. If you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, watching others succeed while you remain in the same place, it's frustrating, isn't it? You strive, you push, yet the breakthrough seems just out of reach. But what if the barrier isn't the world around you, but something within you? Consider Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty, faced with unimaginable hardships, she had every reason to fail. Yet, she chose not to let her past dictate her future. She took control, tapped into her inner strength, and transformed her life. If she could do it, why not you? The truth is, everything you need to succeed is already within you. It's not about the luck or external factors, it's about mindset, action, and belief. Let's explore three powerful secrets to unlock your potential. Secret number one, take radical responsibility. Now's the time to stop blaming circumstances or others for where you are. Own your decisions, your actions, your life. When you take responsibility, you empower yourself to change your situation. Identify one area where you've been making excuses and commit to a new approach today. Secret number two, master your mindset. Your thoughts really shape your reality. Negative beliefs limit you, while a growth mindset propels you forward. Each morning, write down three affirmations or lofty questions about the person you're becoming. Speak them aloud and embrace them as your truth. Secret number three, take immediate, bold action. Waiting for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Success comes to those who act. Choose one goal you've been delaying and take a step toward it today. Send that email, make that call, sign up for that class. Just start. Remember, you don't have to be extraordinary to begin, but you have to begin to become extraordinary. The power to create the life that you desire is within you. Will you seize it? If you're ready to unlock your full potential, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Comment below with the action you're committing to today. Let's embark on this journey together. Talk soon.